Meaning of ganja.
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 Ganja. Ganja is a term that refers to the plant species Cannabis sativa, which is commonly used as a psychoactive drug. The plant contains several chemical compounds, including delta-9 tetrahydrocannabinol, THC, which has mind-altering properties. The use of ganja for recreational or medicinal purposes is widespread, especially in certain regions of the world. However, the use, possession, and sale of ganja remains illegal in many countries due to its potential negative effects on mental and physical health, as well as concerns related to addiction and crime.